Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I made this geode out of alcohol ink, mounted it to a wood board, and went over it with resin. So I'm using alcohol inks and photo paper, and I'm just trying to stick with some kind of layered design using a few different colors. Off camera, I took the paper and mounted it to a wood panel using some glue and put some heavy books on it and let it dry overnight. Once I'm satisfied with my design, I went ahead and put some crushed glass on it and some tiger eye stones, and now I'm just mixing up some Artworks resin and spreading it all over the top. I just wanted to show you a trick here. If you put painter's tape on the back of your art before you use the resin, after it's dry, you take a torch and you heat it up a little bit and it peels right off. See that? Nice clean edges and no sanding required. Adding resin over an alcohol ink painting always gives it really awesome depth.